Hello, this is Eva from the Better Back program. This short yoga sequence is designed for total beginners or people who are sedentary in their lifestyle or work at a desk all day long. Please listen to your body. Let's start with some positions that you could take. Either be standing for your warm-up, or you could be kneeling. Make sure that your toes are flat on the ground, but if this is too uncomfortable, you could also be seated in a comfortable cross-legged position. You could have a block underneath your hips so that your back is straight. So once you decided which position to take, let's get started. Close your eyes and center your thoughts. Concentrate on the yoga session ahead. Then take a nice deep breath in, lifting the arms up overhead and down. And another deep breath in, arms overhead and down. And again, arms overhead and down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to your chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to your chest. Inhale, look over to one side. Exhale, look over to the other side. And continue. Remember the different positions. You can also stand up and roll your shoulders front to back. And the other way. Nice big circles. Bring your hands in front and roll your wrists, both directions. Then grab your knee, bring it up to your chest and roll your ankle in both directions. And do the same thing with the other leg. If you need to hold on to something, please do so. Remember, you can also sit down for this exercise. Just keep in mind that this exercise seated will be more taxing on your tummy muscles. Let's get up again and hold your hand on your knee and roll your knee in both directions. And then use the other hand, the other leg, to roll the other knee in both directions. Then let's stand hip width apart with your legs and make big circles with your hips. And the other way. Very good. Now let's bring the legs back together. Take a nice deep breath in, arms up. And then let's do a gentle sideways bend so that you can feel the stretch on the side of your body. Hips nice and even with the shoulders. And the other way. Just opening up the side body. Very good. Now let's stretch the hip flexors. They are really short due to long sitting at a desk. So, nice step forward with one leg, and you should feel a little stretch as you come forward with your weight in your straight leg, and lifting the arms up and lengthening the spine upwards. And then do the same to the other side. So feel the stretch, arms up and stretch up, and a little back bend at the same time. Remember, you can always pause this video if you need more time. Let's do some goddess squats. So stand with your legs wide apart, feet pointing out, and then bend gently down as far as your body allows you to. And up again, and down, and up, and down. For the next exercise, sit down with your legs straight, then take one foot, put it over next to your knee, and then hook your elbow onto that knee, twisting your body around, keeping your spine straight. And then do it to the other side as well, giving you a nice twist in your upper back. Very good for those desk workers. A good exercise for the hamstrings, just to lengthen them. Sit down, remove the flesh off your sit bones and bend forward with straight legs. If you can't keep your legs straight because your hamstrings are too tight, bend your knees. It is more important to bring your chest or the belly close to your thighs than having your legs straight. Now have one leg bent and bend forward over the straight leg, lengthening your spine and then rounding your spine so that your forehead touches your knee. So here again it's more important to touch the forehead to the knee than to have the leg straight. And then repeat to the other side. So it's okay to bend your knee, just compress your chin into your chest as you bring the forehead into the knee. For the next exercise, glute activation, lay down on your back and bring your feet as close to your buttocks as possible, and then have the arms down by your side and then bring the hips up. So the hips and the chest, you want to lift everything up as high as possible. And do this at least 3 times, or pause this video and do it more, because it's a very important exercise. This next exercise is very important for your core and can help with upper back pain. Lie down on your back, squeeze your lower back into the ground, and then lift your arms overhead until they touch the ground behind you, and avoiding that the rib cage lifts up as you do this. This is very important. So squeeze your core, everything down, and lifting the arms up. If you cannot reach the ground, it's better to go only as far as you feel the rib cage lifting up. As you get stronger, you will get more range of motion. For the next exercise, lie on your back and bring one knee into your chest. You can also bend the other leg a little bit to make it easier. Then hook your 2 fingers around your big toe and then straighten that leg. But if you can't straighten the leg, you can also use a strap that will help you to work your way towards holding the leg in your hand. For the next exercise, sit down and have the soles of your feet together, holding onto the soles of your feet, and then gently move your knees up and down to open up your inner thighs. This is called butterfly. Very good exercise to open your hips. Let's relax now in Savasana. So lay down on your back, have your palms facing up, closing the eyes, having the legs out, relaxed out of your hip joints, and just concentrate on your breath. Breathing in and out. Keep concentrating on your breath, breathing in and out through the nose, and letting all the muscles in your body relax. This is the time for integration for your body, integrating all the stretches and strengthening exercises you just did. So stay here as long as you like, but at least 5 minutes. It was a pleasure to practice with you. Namaste, bowing to the divine within you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for some more yoga at the Better Back program.